beautiful out here. All right, guys, so I'm fooling you a little bit. In case you haven't figured it out, I'm not really in the mountains. I am in front of a green screen right now in my basement with my brand new YouTube studio. Really quick, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you can get notified of all my upcoming content, because I don't want you guys to miss a thing. 2020 is going to be awesome. I've been wanting to do this for so long. I've been doing this YouTube thing for what, 6-7 years now, and I've just been winging it this entire time, to be honest with you. I haven't had the proper lighting, haven't had the proper camera setup. I've been doing my phone with a GoPro, things like that. Pretty much the only thing I've had that was really professional was the editing software that I was using for post-production of my videos, but everything else was just kind of do it as best as I could. And I decided if I'm going to keep doing this that I needed to do this properly and correctly. So I now have a full-on studio here in my basement. It's taken a long time to get here, but man, it is beautiful. This is the 3 light setup from LimoStudio. I will put a link down below in the description. This is an absolute fantastic setup. It is absolutely perfect, and my wife got a great deal on this. She got it for me for under $100. It is absolutely perfect. It has 3 different lights for 3-point lighting, or you can use one as a boom stand, and then it has the backdrop with 3 different backdrop options. You can do a green screen, a white screen, or a black screen. So it's great for videography, it's great for photography, if you're doing still photography, product shots, things like that. There are tons of different options. Now, of course, being a backpacking channel, I try to do as much filming as I can outside, but you know, I live in Ohio and it's not always nice. The weather doesn't always cooperate. Like right now, it's pouring down rain outside. It's completely gross and disgusting. So I'm inside here in the studio, got the lights on me, and with this kind of setup, I can have a completely controlled environment. Anytime I want to do talking head type videos, interviews, gear reviews, anything like that. So I'm really looking forward to doing some more things like that in 2020, some more Show Brothers style videos where, you know, just some talking heads type videos, some live podcast type videos and interviews and things like that. In fact, I have a very interesting interview coming up really soon with an up and coming new YouTuber. Can't wait to share that with you. So like I said, I'm trying to up my whole entire game for this whole YouTube channel. It's been way too long since I've really done this correctly. So I've also upped my camera game. I have finally upgraded my camera setup to the Canon M50, which is, if you know anything about YouTube and vlogging, the M50 is one of the most popular vlogging cameras out there right now. It is absolutely, the quality is just outstanding. And actually, I've seen it compared to one of those $25,000 Red cameras, and you honestly can't even tell the difference. I mean, this M50 is really going to step up my game, especially for trip videos and things like that, where I'm out in the woods, going to do some slow motion shots, some pans, some really awesome things. And I'm super excited to share those videos with you guys. I think this new camera is going to really help me give some really awesome quality for you guys for whatever I decide to do. And of course, you know, the equipment isn't what makes the filmmaker, it's the skill and the approach to filmmaking, but the equipment definitely does help, and it's obviously noticeable when you're using a phone or even a GoPro or things like that. And in the past several videos of mine, you've probably noticed that I was filming in 4K. Well, that was because the GoPro had that capability, but with the Canon M50, I'll probably be going back to shooting in 1080 just because I can get higher frame rates with the 1080, and I can do more creative slow motion things like that. So my videos probably will go back to 1080 for a while I use the M50, but you're not going to be able to tell a difference even watching on a 4K TV. All right, everybody, 2019 has been an absolutely fantastic year. I know it's been a little light on content. It was a very busy year for me, but 2020 is looking awesome. I'm super excited about what's coming up. It's the trips that are coming up, the interviews, the gear, everything. It's going to be a fantastic year. It's going to be awesome, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. And it's all thanks to you guys, the subscribers, my viewers. Thank you so much for supporting me and just for being there for me, and the comments and the questions. I appreciate it. Please keep it coming, and please share my videos with your friends and family. Let them know about the channel. I just want to keep growing. I keep getting subscribers, you know, every day, a few trickle in, and I just really want to grow the channel. I want to get some good subscriber base going, and that's all dependent on people watching my videos, and that's you guys. So thank you so much for your support. I'm looking forward to 2020. It's going to be awesome. And thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you really soon.